Adoption vs convergence, which is better? The question of whether convergence or adoption is better depends on various factors and perspectives. Here are some considerations. 1. Harmonization and comparability. Convergence aims to enhance the harmonization of accounting standards across countries, reducing differences and promoting comparability. This can be beneficial for global financial analysis, investment decisions, and cross-border transactions. However, full adoption of IFRS can achieve a higher level of harmonization and comparability, as it eliminates variations and exceptions that may exist under convergence. 2. National requirements and circumstances. Convergence allows countries to consider their specific national requirements and circumstances while aligning with IFRS. This flexibility can be advantageous in addressing local needs, such as legal, cultural, or economic factors. Adoption, on the other hand, may require a more standardized approach, which may not fully accommodate specific national considerations. 3. Implementation complexity. Convergence provides a gradual approach to aligning with IFRS, allowing countries to adopt standards at their own pace. This can be less complex and disruptive compared to full adoption, which requires a comprehensive overhaul of existing accounting standards, systems, and practices. The complexity of adoption can vary depending on the size, complexity, and readiness of the country's accounting and reporting infrastructure. 4. Regulatory oversight and enforcement. Adoption of IFRS typically involves stronger regulatory oversight and enforcement mechanisms to ensure consistent application and compliance. This can enhance the credibility and reliability of financial reporting. Convergence may require a more collaborative approach between standard-setting bodies and national regulators to ensure consistent interpretation and enforcement of converged standards. 5. Stakeholder preferences. The preferences of various stakeholders, such as investors, analysts, multinational companies, and regulators, can influence the choice between convergence and adoption. Some stakeholders may prefer the comparability and transparency offered by full adoption of IFRS, while others may value the flexibility and customization allowed under convergence. Ultimately, the decision between convergence and adoption depends on the specific circumstances and priorities of each country. It requires careful consideration of factors such as the country's legal and regulatory framework, economic environment, capacity for implementation, and stakeholder needs. Many countries have chosen a path that combines elements of convergence and adoption, striking a balance between global harmonization and local requirements. Thank you for watching.